Hello students, greetings for the day. I am Sanjay Singh from Umadevi Children's Academy. Welcome to class 7th GK. In this video, I will cover the topic from the Beyond GK and the name of the topic is the first one in India. So let us start our video. As students, your topic is the first one in India. So in this video, I shall describe the first one of India. But before starting the video related to this topic, I will ask some questions related to this topic. My first question is, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. My second question is, who was the first Education Minister of India? Most of the students don't know the answer of this question. So don't worry, because I will clear the answer of this question in the video. My third and last question is, who was the first woman who crossed the English Channel? I know very well that the students don't know the answer of this question, that who was the first woman who crossed the English Channel. But don't worry, because I will clear this type of questions in this video. So please watch this video very carefully, and I am going to start this video. So please watch this video very carefully. Hello students, I am again with you with the new topic of the Beyond GK, and the name of the topic is the first one in India. In this video, I will tell you the first one in India. So first of all, first man in space means to say the first Indian who went in space. The name of that man is Rakesh Sharma. And the next one is first Indian satellite. So the first Indian satellite is Aryabhat. And the next one is first graduate in medicine, means to say who was the first Indian graduate in medicine. The name of that Indian is Sarjo Kumar Chakravarti. And the next one is first Indian to be appointed as the Deputy Director General of Programs of the World Health Organization WHO. The name of that person is Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, means Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. And the next one is first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics, that is C.V. Raman. And the next one is first President of India. So the first President of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the next one is first Vice President of India. So the first Vice President of India was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. And the next one is the first President of Indian National Congress was Bhumesh Chandra Banerjee. And the next one is first Prime Minister of India. The first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru. And the next one is first Chief Election Commissioner of India. That was Sukumar Sen. And the next one is first Viceroy of India. The first Viceroy of India was Lord Canning. And the next one is first Governor General of India. That was Lord William Bentinck. And the next one is first Chief Justice of India. It is very important because in many competition exam it was asked that who was the first Justice of India. The answer will be H.J. Kania. And the next one is first Speaker of Lok Sabha. If it is asked to you who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha, your answer will be G.V. Mavalankar. And the next one is first Home Minister of India. So the first Home Minister of India was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the next one is first Defence Minister of India. So the first Defence Minister of India was Baldev Singh. And the next one is first Commander in Chief Indian Air Force. Answer will be Subroto Mukherjee. And the next one is first Paramveer Chakra winner. So the first Paramveer Chakra winner was Major Somnath Sharma. And the next one is first Indian woman to fly fighter aircraft without co-pilot, IAF officer. So the first Indian woman to fly fighter aircraft without co-pilot, IAF officer was Avni Chaturvedi. And the next one is first Indian woman wrestler to win an Asian gold medal. So the name of that Indian woman is Navjot Kaur. The next one is first Indian woman badminton player to win an Asian Games medal. So that Indian woman was Sania Nehwal. And the next one is first Indian woman to win a medal at Asian Games. If it is asked to you who was the first Indian woman to win a medal at Asian Games, your answer will be Shanti Soundarajan. What is Shanti Soundarajan? Shanti Soundarajan. And the next one is first woman to win an Olympic silver medal. Answer will be PV Sindhu in badminton. And the next one is first woman to win a medal in wrestling. If it is asked to you who was the first woman to win a medal in wrestling, your answer will be Sakshi Malik. And Sakshi Malik won bronze medal in wrestling in 2016 Summer Olympics. And the next one is first temple constructed from a single rock. Answer will be Kailash temple at Ellora. And the next one is first British to visit India. It is very important. If it is asked to you who was the first British to visit India, your answer will be Hawkins. And the next one is also very important. Who was the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India? Answer will be Fayan. And the next one is first Indian to reach Antarctica. Answer will be late Ram Charan. And the next one is first judge in International Court of Justice. So your answer will be Dr. Nagendra Singh. And the next one is first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress. So Badruddin Tayyib ji was the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress. And the next one is first post office opened in India. So the first post office opened in India in Kolkata in 1727. If it is asked to you where was the first post office opened in India, so your answer will be Kolkata in 1727. And the next one is India's first Lok Sabha member to be elected with a record maximum number of votes So that person was P.B. Narasimha Rao. P.B. Narasimha Rao was the first Indian Lok Sabha member to be elected with a record maximum number of votes. And the next one is India's first open university. So India's first open university is Andhra Pradesh Open University. And the next one is India's first university. So India's first university is Nalanda University. And India's first man in space, I have discussed it already, means to say that Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space. The next one is the first speaker of the Lok Sabha. Answer will be Ganesh Vasudev Maulankar. And the next one is the first and last Muslim woman ruler of India. It is very, very important. If it is asked to you in any exam, who was the first and last Muslim woman ruler of India, your answer will be Razia Sultan. And the next one is the first and the last Indian to be Governor General of Free India. Your answer will be C. Rajgopalachari. And C. Rajgopalachari was the first and last Indian Governor General of Free India. The next one is the first British Governor General of Bengal. So the first Governor General of Bengal was Lord Warren Hastings, and his time duration is 1774 to 1885. Means to say that Lord Warren Hastings had been the first British Governor General of Bengal from 1774 to 1885. The next one is the first British Governor General of India, Lord William Banting. Lord William Banting had been the first British Governor General of India, and his time duration was from 1833 to 1835. The next one is the first British Viceroy of India. The answer will be Lord Canning. Lord Canning was the first British Viceroy of India. The next one is the first Chief Election Commissioner. I have discussed it already. Sukumar Sen. Sukumar Sen was the first Indian Chief Election Commissioner. And the next one is the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Means to say who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Answer will be Justice Hiralal J. Kania. The next one is the first Education Minister. Who was the first Education Minister? The answer will be Abdul Kalam Azad. And the next one is the first Governor General of Free India. The answer will be Lord Mountbatten. And the next one is the first Home Minister of India. So the answer will be Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Home Minister of India. And the next one is the first Indian pilot. So the answer will be J.R.D. Tata in 1929. The next one is the first Indian to cross English Channel. It is very important. If it is asked to you in any exam who was the first Indian to cross English Channel, your answer will be Mihir Sen. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics. Answer will be C.V. Raman. The next one is the first Indian to to join the Indian civil services? Answer will be Satyendranath Tagore. And the next one is the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna award. So the answer will be Dr. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan was the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna award. The next one is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize. Answer will be Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1913 for literature for his great work Gitanjali. If it is asked to you, in which year Rabindranath Tagore was awarded with Nobel Prize, your answer will be 1913. And if it is asked for what he was awarded with Nobel Prize, your answer will be Gitanjali. The first judge of International Court of Justice, I have discussed it already. Answer will be Dr. Nagendra Singh. And the next one is the first lady to become Miss World. So the answer will be Rita Faria. And the next one is the first man who introduced printing press in India. So that man was James Hickey. The first Muslim president of India, that was Dr. Zakir Hussain. And the next one is the first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine. Answer will be Hargobind Khurana. And the next one is the first person to get Parambir Chakra. I have discussed it already. That person was Major Somnath Sharma. And the next one is the first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen. That person was Sherpa Anga Dorji. And the next one is the first person to receive Gyanpith Award. So the first person who received Gyanpith Award was Sri Shankar Krupp. And the next one is the first person to receive Magsaysay Award. The first person means the first Indian who received Magsaysay Award was Acharya Vinoba Bhave. And the next one is the first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics. That person was Amartya Sen. And the next one is the first president of India who died while in office. Answer will be Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain was the first president of India who died while in office. And the next one is the first president of Indian National Congress. So all the students know the answer of this statement, that W.C. Banerjee was the first president of Indian National Congress. The next one is the first president of Indian Republic. That was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the next one is the first Prime Minister of Free India. So as you know very well that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of Free India. And the next one is the first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament. It is also very important, Chaudhry Charan Singh. Chaudhry Charan Singh was the first Prime Minister of India who did not, means who never went to Parliament. In another word, we can say that Chaudhry Charan Singh, the first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament. And the next one is the first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term. That was Morarji Desai. And the next one is the first Vice President of India. I have discussed it already. That was Dr. Radhakrishnan. And the next one is the first woman Chief Justice of High Court. That woman was Mrs. Leela Seth, and she was the Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court. The next one is the first woman Chief Minister of an Indian state. That was Mrs. Sucheta Kripalani. The next one is the first woman Director General of Police, means DGP. Who was the first woman has been on the post of DGP? That was Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. And the next one is the first woman governor of a state in free India. Answer will be Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. And the next one is the first woman graduates. So that woman was Kadambini Ganguly and Chandramukhi Basu. These two women, means these two first women graduates. First is Kadambini Ganguly and second is Chandramukhi Basu. And the next one is the first woman IPS officer. I hope all the students know about this. That woman was Mrs. Kiran Bedi. Miss Kiran Bedi. The first woman IPS officer, Miss Kiran Bedi. And the next one is the first woman judge in Supreme Court. So Mrs. Mira Sahib Fatima Bibi was the first woman judge in Supreme Court. And the next one is the first woman president of Indian National Congress. So that woman was Mrs. Annie Besant. And the next one is the first woman president of United Nations General Assembly. So that woman was Mrs. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. And the next one is the first woman prime minister. That was Mrs. Indira Gandhi. And the next one is the first woman speaker of a state assembly. That was Sanno Devi. And the next one is the first woman to climb Mount Everest. That woman was Bachendri Pal. And the next one is the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. That was Santosh Yadav. And the next one is the first woman to cross English Channel. It is very important. That was Aarti Shah. And the next one is the first woman to receive Ashok Chakra. That was Nirja Bhanot. The next one is the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna. That woman was Mrs. Indira Gandhi. The next one is the first woman to receive Gyanpith Award. That woman was Asha Purna Devi. What is Asha Purna Devi? And the next one is the first woman to receive the Nobel Prize. That was Mother Teresa. So students, I have discussed or told all means some important first one of India. So now what will you do? As usual, you have to watch this video 3 or 4 times for better understanding, and whatever I have discussed, you have to note down in your fair notebook of GK. The homework of this video is this, that whichever the topic I have discussed in this video, you have to note down in your fair notebook of GK in a very proper manner and in a very good handwriting. So thanks a lot for watching this video.